Hello, my name is Daniel Andres Chavarria, student at Public Accounting. My hobbies and interests. If you are old, I will talk about my hobbies, why I love it, I will make it me feel smiling. And I love exercise is passion, I keep me hot and strong. I like to play chess because I love to meet doing things I like. I like to is with the readings or ladies in speaking I with my family. Now I will talk about night interest. My interest I manage out. I feel all I finish my studying focus and my profession. I love it to play white money, speaking in sentence and speech and those grounds economic. I want the limits. They achieve a good future for me and more. I will work as million. Thank you very much.